Hi, I'm Michael Forbes, one of the founders of Ageless Living, and I'm here to talk to you about what to expect at Ageless Living. Your first few visits will be around getting the diagnostics tests completed and the questionnaires so that we have a complete medical history of your background, and then have the results so that we can personalize a path forward for you and customize it to your desires and goals that's right for you. Upon completing that, you'll book in with many of the practitioners, whether it's the dietitian, the RN for skin treatments, or the internal med specialist, or doctors for hormone restoration or metabolism balancing or longevity. But all in all, you'll probably be balanced on average within 6 months, and you'll be feeling a lot better.